Divi versus Bricks, which one is better in 2025? Having used both extensively, I can say they each have a very different vibe and workflow. Divi feels familiar and polished, especially if you've been in WordPress for a while. It's a visual builder, so you're working in sections, rows, and columns, and everything is module-based. There's a lot packed into it, like over 2,500 page layouts, 300 pre-made websites, and built-in marketing tools. It's really beginner-friendly, and I appreciated the way I could set global styles, apply advanced display conditions, and even do split testing directly in the builder. The inline CSS editor is helpful if you want more control, and the AI generation tools on Divi Pro are fun for quickly generating layouts. Though I noticed they are best for simple designs. The downside is that it's not a true drag and drop builder, so making small adjustments sometimes takes more clicks than I'd like, and the DOM structure can get pretty nested, which affects performance, especially on mobile. Even with Divi 5 in alpha, which is cleaner and uses less bloat, it's still largely a rows and columns approach. So if you want precise flexbox control, you need to write some CSS yourself. Bricks, on the other hand, blew me away with how lightweight and fast it feels. It's a theme, not a plugin, and the drag and drop experience is genuine. You can place elements anywhere using the parent-child container structure thanks to Flexbox and Grid, and it feels intuitive from the start. Performance-wise, Bricks is incredible, page size is smaller, fewer requests are made, and everything loads quickly with less reliance on JavaScript. Dynamic content support with query loops and compatibility with ACF, Metabox, and JetEngine make it super flexible for building more complex websites. The UI is clean, the workflow is smooth, and there's a ton of control over animations, hover states, and interactions. The ecosystem is smaller, and the template library isn't as extensive as Divi's, but for developers and serious site builders, the customization potential is massive. From my experience, if you value a polished visual builder, beginner-friendly workflow, and an enormous template ecosystem, Divi is the way to go, especially for content-light websites and quick projects. But if you care about speed, modern code, lightweight output, and deep control over layouts and dynamic content, Bricks feels like the better choice in 2025. Personally, I find myself using Divi when I want speed and simplicity for marketing pages or blogs. But I turn to Bricks for high-performance sites or projects that require custom layouts and dynamic features. Both are improving continuously, so it really depends on how you like to build and what kind of control you need over your site.